Continents and oceans. How many continents are there in the world? 3, 5, 7, 9. The right answer is 7. Which is the largest continent in area? North America, Europe, Asia, South America. The right answer is Asia. Which is the smallest continent in area? Australia, Europe, Africa, South America. The right answer is Australia. Which of the following is not a continent? Russia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. The right answer is Russia. Which is the largest continent in population? North America, South America, Africa, Asia. The right answer is Asia. Which continent has largest number of countries? Africa, Europe, Asia, South America. The right answer is Africa. The largest mountain, Mount Everest, is situated in which continent? Antarctica, North America, Asia, Africa. The right answer is Asia. The longest river in the world, Nile, is situated in which continent? Africa, Asia, South America, Europe. The right answer is Africa. Which continent is also called dark continent? Africa, Antarctica, Europe, Asia. The right answer is Africa. The continent which have no active volcanic regions is North America, Europe, Australia, Africa. The right answer is Australia. USA lies in which continent? South America, North America, Africa, Antarctica. The right answer is North America. Which continent is known as White Continent? Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America. The right answer is Antarctica. Name the continents that form a mirror image of each other. North and South America, Asia and Africa, Africa and South America, Europe and Asia. The right answer is Africa and South America. Which continent of the world does not have a desert? Australia, Europe, Asia, North America. The right answer is Europe. The continent which passes through both the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is North America, Asia, Africa, Europe. The right answer is Africa. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The right answer is Pacific Ocean. Which ocean named after a country? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The right answer is Indian Ocean. The deepest point in the ocean is Mariana Trench, Galdia Deep, Mindanao Deep, none of these. The right answer is Mariana Trench. Which of the following is an ocean current? West wind, Gulf Stream, both of these, none of these. The right answer is both of these. In which of the following oceans the ocean current do not move regularly in one particular direction? Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, none of these. The right answer is Indian Ocean. Which of the following ocean is called the father of oceans? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The right answer is Pacific Ocean. Which ocean is famous for trade and commerce? Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. The right answer is Atlantic Ocean. Which ocean has the least salinity? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The right answer is Arctic Ocean. Which of the following oceans covers about 1/3 of the surface of Earth? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. The right answer is Pacific Ocean. Which is the smallest ocean of the world? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. The right answer is Arctic Ocean. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.